Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. Chapter 4 Parallelograms, Part 6. At the end of this video, students will be able to recognize that a convex quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other is a parallelogram. Recognize that every convex quadrilateral having its opposite angles equal is a parallelogram. Materials you need: paper, pencil, ruler, compass, and your textbook. Theorem: a convex quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other is a parallelogram. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that OB equal OD and OA equal OC. Please pause the video and try to solve these questions. Part 1. Prove that the two triangles ABO and DOC are congruent. AO equal OC given. AOB equal DOC vertically opposite angles. BO equal OD given. Then triangles ABO and DOC are congruent. Part 2. List the homologous elements. AO equal OC, so the angles facing these sides are equal. ABO equal ODC. BO equal OD, so the angle facing these sides are equal. BAO equal OCD. AOB equal DOC, so the sides facing these angles are equal. AB equal CD. Part 3. Deduce that AB parallel to DC. ABO equal ODC from homologous elements, so AB parallel to DC by alternate interior angles. Part 4. Compare the segments AB and CD. AB equals CD by homologous elements. Part 5. Deduce the nature of quadrilateral ABCD. AB parallel to CD and AB equal CD. Both are proved. So, ABCD is a parallelogram by two opposite sides equal and parallel. Part 6. Complete. A convex quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other is a parallelogram. Application: ABC is a triangle, O is the midpoint of AB, and N is the symmetric of C with respect to O. Prove that ANBC is a parallelogram. Please pause the video and try to solve the question. Solution: O is the midpoint of diagonal AB given. O is the midpoint of diagonal CN by symmetry. Then ANBC is a parallelogram by diagonals bisect each other. Theorem: every convex quadrilateral having its opposite angles equal is a parallelogram. ABCD is a convex quadrilateral such that A equals C and B equal D. Please pause the video and try to solve these questions. Part 1. Find the sum of angles of quadrilateral ABCD. A plus B plus C plus D equal 360 degrees because we know that sum of angles in a convex quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Part 2. Show that A plus B equal 180 degrees. A plus B plus C plus D equal 360 degrees, but A equals C and B equal D. Then A plus B plus, we replace C by A because we know here that A equals C. Plus, we replace D by B because we know that B equal D equal 360. Add the expression A plus B plus A plus B. We are adding A plus B 2 times. So 2 times A plus B equal 360 degree. So A plus B equal, we divide 360 degree by 2, we get 180 degree. Part 3. What do we call A and B in quadrilateral ABCD? A and B are consecutive angles in quadrilateral ABCD. Part 4. Deduce the nature of quadrilateral ABCD. The two consecutive angles A and B are supplementary because in Part 2 we proved that A plus B equal 180 degree. Then ABCD is a parallelogram. Part 5. Complete. Every convex quadrilateral having its opposite angles equal is a parallelogram. Application. ABCD is a parallelogram with EF parallel to BC. Prove that AEFD is a parallelogram. Please pause the video and try to solve the question. Solution. C equal EFD because corresponding angles are equal by EF parallel to BC. EF parallel to BC, so angle C and EFD are corresponding angles. C equal A because opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD are equal. A and C are opposite angles in parallelogram ABCD. So A equal EFD by substitution. B equal AEF because corresponding angles are equal by EF parallel to BC. EF is parallel to BC, so angle B and AEF are corresponding angles. B equal D, opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD are equal. B and D are opposite angles in parallelogram ABCD. So AEF equal D by substitution. Therefore, quadrilateral AEFD is a parallelogram by opposite angles are equal. Assignment. Review from the textbook, pages 51 and 52, edition 2017, or pages 47 and 48, edition 2012. And please do your homework. Summary. We've learned in this lesson about convex quadrilateral that any straight line cannot cut it in more than 2 points, and the sum of interior angles is 360 degree. A trapezoid which has only 2 opposite sides parallel. Isosceles trapezoid, the 2 non-parallel sides of a trapezoid are equal. Properties of parallelogram. Any 2 consecutive angles are supplementary. Each 2 opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. To prove a convex quadrilateral a parallelogram, it is enough to show that the opposite sides are parallel, or the opposite sides are equal, or 2 opposite sides equal and parallel, or the diagonals bisect each other, or the opposite angles are equal. Thank you for listening.